Welcome to 9 Club Tutorials. So today we are beginning with exercise 9b of chapter matrices. I have already uploaded exercise 9a. So I hope you all must have completed it. And all the concept lectures of matrices are also done on the channel. And the link to the playlist is there in the description box. So you can click on the playlist link and go on the playlist and watch all the concept videos. So let's not waste our time and begin with the first question from exercise 9b. And the first question is to evaluate. Okay, and the question is 3, 5 and minus 2. Okay, so there's an 1 into 2 order of matrix. So over here, when it's a scalar, and as I taught that when we multiply a scalar with a matrix, then each and every element gets multiplied with the scalar. So the answer is 5 into 3, which is 15, 2 into 3, which is minus 6. Okay, so this is the answer. A very simple question. This exercise is very easy, very simple. Okay, so we'll finish it off in a very limited period of time. So now the next question is 7 into, there is a 2 into 2 order of matrix, minus 1, 2, 0 and 1. And the answer for this is, again the scalar gets multiplied with each and every element of the matrix. This becomes minus 7, 14, 0 and 7. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so let's begin with the next question. The next question is, we need to add matrices and also multiply with a scalar. This is the third sub question, and the third sub question is to a scalar that's multiplied with a 2 into 2 order of matrix, which is minus 1, 0, 2 and minus 3. Okay, and this gets added up with the matrix 3, 3, 5 and 0. Again it's a 2 into 2 order of matrix. Since both the orders of matrices are same, we can add both of these matrices. Now this is equal to minus 2, 0, 4 and minus 6. Okay, now this gets added up with this matrix, which is 3, 3, 5 and 0. Okay, so now the solution for this is minus 2 plus 3 plus minus minus sign of the greater number, which is 1. Okay, 0 plus 3 becomes 3 and 4 plus 5 becomes 9, minus 6 plus 0 becomes minus 6. Okay, so this is the answer for your third sub question. Let's begin with the fourth sub question. And the fourth sub question says that a scalar 6 gets multiplied with 2 into 1 order of matrix, which is 3 minus 2. Okay, and gets subtracted with 2 into minus 8 and 1. Again a 2 into 1 order of matrix. Since the order of matrix is same, you can minus or add both of these matrices, but first you need to multiply the scalar with it and the solution gets subtracted up. So let's find out the solution. Over here, every scalar gets multiplied with each and every term. This becomes 6 into 3, which is 18. 6 into 2 becomes minus 12. Okay, so it needs to get subtracted with 2 into 8, minus 16 over here. 2 into 1, 2. Okay, so this becomes, now you need to subtract 18, minus minus becomes plus. So 18 plus 16 becomes 34, 32, and this becomes minus 12 minus 2, and this becomes adding up sign of the greater number. Okay, so the fourth answer is 34 upon minus 14. So this is the answer for your fourth sub question. Let's begin with the second sub question, which is find x and y if. Now let's begin with the first sub question. Now the first sub question says that there is a scalar which gets multiplied with 1 into 2 order of matrix, having the first element as 4 and the second element as x, plus a scalar gets multiplied with the first element as y and the second element as minus 3. Okay, is equal to, there is a 1 into 2 order of matrix which is 10 and 0. Okay, so first we'll begin with LHS. Okay, so scalar gets multiplied. This becomes 4 3s are 12. This becomes 3x, gets added up with 2y. This becomes minus 6. This is equal to 10 and 0. Okay, now we'll add up both of these, and we'll state that these LHS terms are equal to the RHS terms, because we know that when the order of matrix is same, each and every element corresponding to the other element on the RHS side is equal. So you need to write a statement also over here. So this becomes 12 plus 2y, and this becomes 3x minus 6. Okay, this is equal to 10 and 0. So as we know that each and every element is that way, then you can write the statement over here, and then you need to say that 12 plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, and 2y is equal to 10 minus 12. Y is equal to minus 2 upon 2, which is 1. So this is y is equal to minus 1. We got the first value. Okay, so let's find out the value of x. This is equal to 0. 3x is equal to plus 6. X is equal to 6 upon 3. 3 2s are. X is equal to 2. We found out the value of x also. A very simple question. Let's begin with the second sub question of the same question of finding x and y. Now the second sub question says there is a variable x, which is a scalar over here, gets multiplied with 2 into 1 order of matrix minus 1 2. Okay, minus 4, again a scalar, gets multiplied with the order of matrix 2 into 1. Y is equal to the same order of matrix 7 minus 8. Okay, so now over here, same question, same concept, same method. I don't feel like you will be having any kind of difficulty in solving these kind of questions. So let's begin. This turns out to be minus x. This is 2x. Okay, gets subtracted with 4 2s are minus 8. This becomes 4y. Okay, is equal to 7 and 8. Okay, this becomes minus x, minus minus becomes plus 8. This becomes 2x minus 4y. This is equal to nothing but 7 and 8. Okay, so now over here we can say that minus x plus 8 is equal to 7. Okay, so this is nothing but 8 gets over here, and 8 minus 7 is equal to x. So x is equal to 1. We found out the first value, which is x is equal to 1. Okay, now the very next value which we need to find is of y. Now since we know that x is 1, then 2 into 1 minus 4y is equal to 8. I have put the values directly. Now 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. So this becomes 2 minus 4y is equal to 8. 2 gets transferred over there, or we can say that minus 4y gets transferred over there. So 4y is equal to nothing but 2 minus 8. Okay, so now over here y is equal to minus 4 upon minus 6 upon 4. Okay, 2 3s are 2 2s are. Okay, so this becomes 2 1s are 2 1.50. So y is equal to minus 1.50. Now it's a very simple question. 2.50, pardon. So this becomes y is equal to minus 2.50. You can leave the question at 3 upon 2 also. There are no issues in that. So let's begin with the next question. Now the next question is the third question. Now the third question says that we are given a matrix which is nothing but 2 into 2 order of matrix, which is 2 1 3 and 0. Okay, and b is equal to 1 1 5 and 2, and there is another matrix which is C matrix, and the C matrix is minus 3 minus 1 0 and 0. Okay, so here we need to find few equations, few values. Now the first one is 2a minus 3b plus c, and the second one is a plus 2c minus b. Okay, so let's begin with the first equation which we need to solve out. Now the first equation, let's put the values. The scalar is 2, the A matrix is nothing but 2 1 3 0. Okay, 2a minus 3b, 3 is the scalar, b is 1 1 5 2, plus the C matrix minus 3 minus 1 0 and 0. Okay, so now this turns out to be 2 into 2 becomes 4, 2 6 0. Okay, minus 3 3 15 and 6. Okay, plus minus 3 minus 1 0 and 0. Let's subtract both of these matrices first. So now this becomes 1, okay, 2 minus 3 minus 1, okay, 6 minus 15 minus 9, okay, 0 minus 6 becomes minus 6. Now we need to add both of these matrices and we'll end up getting the answer. So after adding 1 plus minus 3, so this will get subtracted up and the answer will be minus 2, minus 1 plus minus 1, minus 1 becomes minus 2, okay, minus 9 plus 0 becomes minus 9, minus 6 plus 0 becomes minus 6. So here we get the answer for the third question. Okay, now very simple question it was. Now let's move on to the second sub question. Now the second sub question says that A plus 2c minus b. So A matrix is nothing but a 2 into 2 order of matrix, which is 2 1 3 and 0, okay, plus 2 as a scalar, and the C matrix is nothing but minus 3 minus 1 0 and 0, okay, minus with the B matrix, which is 1 1 5 and 2. Okay, so the same way, the same method, just the values are different, the multiplication, the scalars are different. So keeping it as it is, multiplying the scalar first, this becomes minus 6, this becomes minus 2, 0 and 0, subtracted with 1 1 5 and 2. Okay, so let's turn on the page, copying the previous step over here. 2130 plus minus 6 minus 200 1512 1512. Okay, so this is the equation which we have formed up. Now let's add both of these matrices. So over here, 2 plus minus minus, sign of the greater number, which becomes minus 4. 1 plus minus minus, sign of the greater number, which becomes minus 1. Okay, 3 plus 0 becomes 3. 0 plus 0 is always 0. So we need to subtract this with 1 1 5 and 2. Okay, so let's subtract ahead. Over here, as we can see, minus 1 minus 1, minus 4 minus 1 becomes minus 5, minus 1 becomes minus 2, 3 minus 5 becomes minus 2 again, and 0 minus 2 becomes minus 2. So this is the answer for the second sub question of the third main question. So let's begin with the fourth question. The fourth question says that if there is a matrix A is equal to, okay, there is only an equation given to us that 4 4 minus 2 0, a 2 into 2 order of matrix, plus 3a is equal to minus 2 1 minus 3. Okay, now as you can see, there is a 2 into 2 order of matrix, so you can say that since there are 2 into 2 order of matrices, we can say that let A be equal to a matrix A, B, C and D, which is a 2 into 2 order of matrix. Okay, so therefore let's move on solving the question. Now 4, 4, minus 2, 0 plus 3 into A, B, C and D, okay, is equal to minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 3. Okay, so over here keeping it, you have to multiply it. So this becomes 4 minus 2, 4 and 0 plus 3a, 3b, 3c, 3d is equal to minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 3. Okay, so let's add up the matrices. This becomes 4 plus 3a, this becomes minus 2 plus 3b, minus 2 plus 3b, this becomes 4 plus 3c, this becomes 0 plus 3d. Okay, and this is equal to the matrix minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, now we can say that each and every term in the LHS matrix is corresponding to the each and every element of RHS matrix. Hence, we can say that both are equal. So let's solve it simultaneously in by the equation. So 4 plus 3a is equal to minus 2. 3a is equal to minus 2 minus 4. This becomes a is equal to minus 6 upon 3. 3 2s are. So value for a is minus 2. Okay, agreed. Let's move on to the next equation, which is minus 2 plus 3b is equal to minus 2. 3b is equal to minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled up. Okay, now cancelled up I can say it turns out to be 1. Now b is equal to 0. Okay, so here we get the answer b is equal to 0. And let's move on to the very next c, which we need to find c, which is 4 plus 3c is equal to 1. Okay, so now over here 3c is equal to 1 minus 4 and c is equal to minus 3 upon 3, which is minus 1. So c is equal to minus 1. We found out the value for c. Now let's find out the value for d. 0 plus 3d is equal to minus 3. And as we know that 3d is equal to minus 3, again the d value is minus 1. Okay, so now let's see the final matrix which we have got. So A matrix is equal to A. So the value for A is minus 2. Value for B is 0. Value for C is minus 1. Value for D is minus 1. So this is the answer. We found out the matrix A from the question. Let's move on to the next question, which is the fifth question. Now the fifth question says that given A is equal to 1, 4, 2 and 3, okay, and B is equal to minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, okay. So here we need to find out two things. Now the very first thing is we need to find matrix 2a plus b, okay. Then we need to find a C matrix such that C plus B is equal to a null matrix, which is 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, so let's begin with the first sub question. Now the first sub question is asking us find matrix 2a plus b. Let's write the equation. 2a plus b, we need to find a matrix over here. So 2a plus b is nothing but 2. A scalar gets multiplied with the A matrix, 1, 4, 2 and 3. Okay, gets added up with the B matrix, which is minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. Okay, so which is equal to nothing but 2 gets multiplied with each and every element. This becomes 2, 4 2s are 8. This becomes 4, this becomes 6. Okay, get added up with minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. Okay, now after adding this up, 2 plus minus minus, sign of the greater number, minus 2, 8 plus minus minus, sign of the greater number, plus 7, 4 plus minus minus, sign of the greater number 1. So 6 plus minus minus, sign of the greater number, which is 4. Okay, one negative term, remaining all are the positive terms. This is the matrix which we have found out. A very simple question. So let's move on with the very next question, which is a second sub question of the same question, which is we need to find a matrix C such that C plus B is equal to a null matrix. C plus B is equal to a null matrix. So, since we are dealing with 2 into 2 order of matrix, let's say that C is equal to A, B, C and D. Okay. So, we know that C matrix is A, B, C and D. What is the B matrix? The B matrix is minus 4, minus 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, and this is equal to a null matrix 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, now over here let's begin with the question. As we know that A plus minus A minus 4, okay, B plus minus B minus 1, C plus minus C minus 3, D plus minus D minus 2. This is equal to a null matrix 0, 0, 0. Since each and every element are equal, we can say that A minus 4 is equal to 0, A is equal to 4, okay, B minus 1 is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, okay, C minus 3 is equal to 0, C is equal to 3, okay, D minus 2 is equal to 0, D is equal to 2. So these are the values as you can see. So let's put the values in the matrix. So now the matrix C is equal to ABCD, right? We have taken ABCD. So this becomes 4, 1, 3 and 2. Okay, so this is the answer. A very simple question. Just need to be logical, be consistent. Let's begin with the next question, which is the sixth question from your exercise. There are total 11 questions in this exercise 20 in exercise 9b. So now the sixth question says that if there is a scalar 2 which gets multiplied with 3x, 0 and 1, okay, and it's get added up with a 3 scalar of 1, 3, y and 2, which is equal to z minus 7, 15 and 8. Okay, so over here we need to find the values of x, y and z. Okay, we need to find that values of x, y and z. A very simple question, very similar concept as we are doing the previous sums. Let's begin with it. So solution for the sixth sum there on the right hand side of the page. So multiplying the scalar first, we get the values 3 2s are 6, 2x, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2. Okay, found out the values, plus multiplying scalar directly, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3y and 3 2s are 6, which is equal to a 2 into 2 order of matrix 2, 15, minus 7 and 8. So over here let's add up the matrices. 6 plus 3 becomes 9, 2x plus 9 as right as it is, 0 plus 3y, 2 plus 6 becomes 8. But wait, let me tell you that this is z, which is on the RHS of the matrix. This is not 2, this is z. Okay, so this is equal to z minus 7, 15 and 8. Okay, so we know that 9 is equal to z, so value for z is 9. We found out the value for z. Now as we know that 2x plus 9 is equal to minus 7, so 2x is equal to minus 7 minus 9. This becomes x is equal to minus 16 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are. So x is equal to 8. The value for x is nothing but 8. Okay, so let's see the next one. 3y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. And y is equal to 5. So x, y, z values are x is equal to 8, y is equal to 5, z is equal to 9. Okay, a very simple question. Y is equal to 5 and z is equal to 9. Okay, since we can see over here that there is a minus sign, so I have done a mistake. It's not positive 8, it's minus 8. Minus 8. Okay, so let's begin with the next question, which is the 7th question. If you are watching my channel consistently, then you must have watched matrices concept lectures of mine, and in those concept lectures I did few of the sums from this exercise, which were the 7th question and the 11th question. So I will be doing only the questions which I have not done. For if you want to watch those questions, then you can go on the playlist link, and you can go to the matrices concept lecture and watch the solving of those sums. Okay, so from the 7th question I have not done the 2 sub questions. Let's solve those. So we are given a matrix which is minus 3, 6, 0 and minus 9. Okay, and a raised to t is its transpose. Okay, so over here we are having a transpose, we are having a matrix. So let's begin. We need to find the second sub question is a raised to t minus 3a, and the third sub question is 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 3a raised to t. Okay, so let's begin with the second sub question. I have done the first and the fourth sub questions in concept lectures. Please watch the concept lectures where I have solved these sums for the reference. So let's begin with this. First of all, what do we need to find? The very first thing is we need to find transpose of a. So a raised to t is equal to, now what is transpose? What is transpose? If you are watching my concept lectures, then you must be knowing that transpose is nothing but when you shift the columns and rows in a reverse way. So the columns become the rows, okay, and the rows becomes the column and the column becomes the row. Okay, so over here there's a row which turns out to be into a column. The same thing applies on the second row, and we get the transpose. This is the transpose of A. Okay, let's begin with the second sub question. Second sub question says 2 into transpose of A, which is minus 3, 0, 6, minus 9. Okay, minus 3 into the A matrix, which is minus 3, 6, 0, minus 9. Okay, so this is equal to nothing but 3 2s are 6, minus 6. This becomes 0, this becomes 12, this becomes minus 18. Okay, and this becomes minus 9, this becomes 18, and this is 0, this is minus 27. Okay, now over here we need to subtract and we'll get the final answer. Minus 6 minus minus becomes plus, minus 6 plus 9 is minus, but the sign of the greater number, which is 3. 0 minus 18 is nothing but minus 18. 12 minus 0 is 12. Minus 18, minus minus becomes plus. Okay, so plus minus sign of the greater number, plus minus sign of the greater number, and it will be 9 since 27 is greater. Okay, so this is the answer for your second sub question of your seventh sum. Let's begin with the third sub question. Now the third sub question is saying us that a raised to t minus 1 upon 3a. We need to find this. Okay, pardon, this is the fourth sub question. My mistake. 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 3a raised to t. We need to find this. Okay, we know that A matrix is nothing but minus 3, 0, 6 and minus 9, and the transpose of A matrix is nothing but minus 3, 6, 0 and minus 9. Okay, so let's begin with the sub question. It says 1 upon 2 A matrix minus 3, okay, minus 3, 0, 6 minus 9. You need to subtract it with 1 upon 3 into transpose of A matrix. Okay, so we need to multiply 1 upon 2 with each and every element over here. So now it becomes 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 2 into 6, 1 by 2 into 0, 1 by 2 into minus 9. Okay, minus, again the scalar gets multiplied over here, 1 upon 3 into minus 3, okay, 1 upon 3 into 0, 1 upon 3 into 6 and 1 upon 3 into minus 9. Okay, so let's solve the question. This becomes 3 upon 2. Okay, keep it as it is because we are going to be subtracting it also. This becomes 2 ones are 2 threes are, so this is nothing but 3. Okay, this is a 0. Okay, and this becomes minus 9 upon 2. Okay, now getting subtracted with, this becomes minus 1, this becomes 0, this becomes 3 ones are 3 twos are, which is nothing but 2. This becomes 3s are, so this is minus 3. Okay, now let's subtract both of the matrices. 3 upon 2 minus minus becomes plus, so this is 3 upon 2 plus 1. Now this is 3 minus 0, which is 3, 0 minus 2, which is minus 2. Okay, and minus 9 by minus 2 minus 3. Okay, now let's move on. So over here, when we multiply, 2 into 1 becomes 2, and minus 3 plus 2 becomes minus sign of the greater number. This becomes minus 1 by 2. Okay, now this is 3 as it is, this is minus 2, this is minus minus plus 2 3s are 6, so minus 9 minus 6 becomes minus 3, and the denominator is 2. Okay, so this is the answer for your third sub question of question number 7. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is the eighth question. The eighth question says we are given a A matrix which is of 2 into 2 order of matrix. Okay, and there is a B matrix which is again a 2 into 2 order of matrix, which is this. Okay, now they are asking us to solve for matrix X. Okay, so the first equation is X plus 2A is equal to B. Okay, the second one is 3X plus B plus 2A is equal to 0. Okay, and the third one is 3A minus 2X is equal to X minus 2B. Okay, So let the X matrix be equal to A, B, C, D. Since the order of matrix is 2 into 2, we are taking 2 into 2 order of matrix. Okay, let's begin with the first sub question. A, B, C, D, X plus 2 into A matrix, which is 1, 1, minus 2 and 0. Okay, which is equal to B matrix, which is 2 minus 1, 1 and 1. So over here, we multiply the scalar with the matrix. This becomes A, B, C and D plus 2, 2, minus 4 and 0 is equal to matrix over here. Now we add it up, 2 plus A, okay, 2 plus B, minus 4 plus C and 0 plus D. Okay, this is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 and 1. So let's solve individually, since we know that each and every element is equal to each and every element in the RHS matrix. 2 plus A is equal to 2, A is equal to 0. Okay, now 2 plus B is equal to minus 1, B is equal to minus 1 minus 2 becomes minus 3. Okay, now the C matrix, minus 4 plus C is equal to 1, C is equal to 1 plus 4, which is 5. So C is 5. Okay, and 0 plus D is equal to 1. So which means D is equal to 1. D is equal to 1. Okay, so these are the values for A, B, C and D of your question number 8, first sub question. So we have found out the values, but they have asked us a matrix. So the matrix X is equal to A, B, C and D. Okay, so these are the this is the matrix which we have found out. Let's move on to the second sub question. Now the second sub question says that we need to find 3x plus b plus 2a is equal to 0. Okay, now we know that X matrix is nothing but ABCD. Okay, and let's write it 3ABCD, writing it directly. Okay, plus the B matrix. Now the B matrix is 2 minus 1, 1 and 1. 2 minus 1, 1 and 1. This is the B matrix plus 2 into A matrix. 2 into A matrix. Now what is A matrix? A matrix is nothing but 1 minus 2, 1 and 0. 1 minus 2, 1 and 0. And this equation is equal to a null matrix because we are just given a 0 in the equation. So when we are considering a 2 into 2 order of matrix, we need to state that this is a 2 into 2 order of null matrix. Okay, so let's tally the values. We have put it correctly. So let's begin. This gets added up. 3a plus 2, 3b plus minus minus 1, 3c plus 1, 3d plus 1. Okay, plus 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2, minus 4 and 0 is equal to a null matrix 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, now this turns out to be, we need to add this up. So this becomes 3a plus 2 becomes 3a plus 4. 3b minus 1 plus 2 becomes 3b plus minus minus, sign of the greater number, plus 1. 3c plus 1 plus minus minus, sign of the greater number. So this is plus 1 minus 4, which is 3c minus 3. 3d plus 1 plus 1, 0. This is as it is. Okay, so this is equal to a 0 matrix. So let's find out. 3a plus 4 is equal to 0. 3a is equal to, a is equal to in fact minus 4 by 3. Okay, So A is minus 4 by 3. So we have found out the value for A. Let's find out the value for B. 3B plus 1 is equal to 0. So B is equal to nothing but minus 1 upon 3. We have found out the value for B. Okay. Now let's see the third one, which is 3C minus 3. Okay. 3C minus 3 is equal to 0. So C is equal to 1. 3 upon 3 becomes 1. We found out the value for C also. Now let's see the value for D. 3D plus 1 is equal to 0. So D is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, so we found out the value for D also. Let's see the matrix. Now the matrix X is equal to A, B, C and D, which is minus 4 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 1, minus 1 by 3. This is the answer for your matrix X for the sub question 2. Okay, let's begin with the third sub question. I know the video lecture is too lengthy, but there are 11 sums and there are too many sub questions. And trust me, I'm doing it I've shortened the video. Otherwise, if you see the lectures of the lectures, then solving this type of exercise takes a very longer period of time. So 3a minus 2x is equal to x minus 2b. Okay. So let's begin. Scalar 3, A matrix is nothing but 1, 1, minus 2 and 0, minus the 2 is a scalar. X matrix is nothing but A, B, C and D. Agreed. Now the X matrix over here is A, B, C and D gets subtracted with 2 as a scalar, and the B matrix is nothing but 2 minus 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so let's begin. Over here 3 gets multiplied with each and every element. This becomes 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are minus 6, 3 zeros are 0, minus 2 as a scalar becomes 2a, 2b, 2c, 2d. Now this is equal to ABCD gets minus with this. I am writing it directly. So A minus 2 into 2 4. Okay. Minus gets cancelled off. So this becomes B plus 2 and C minus 2, okay, and D minus 2. So these are the values over here. Let's see these. Now this is 3 minus 2a, this is 3 minus 2b, this is minus 6 minus 2c, this is 0 minus 2d. Okay, and this is equal to nothing but A minus 4, B plus 2, C minus 2 and D minus 2. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. 3 minus 2a is equal to A minus 4. Okay, so A gets transferred over here. Minus 2a minus A is equal to minus 4 minus 3. Okay, this becomes minus 3a is equal to minus 7. So A is equal to 7 by 3. Minus and minus gets cancelled up. Okay, so this is the value for your A term. Let's begin with the next value. We have found out value of A. Okay, so next is 3 minus 2b is equal to b plus 2. Okay, b again gets over here. Minus 2b minus b is equal to 2 minus 3. Okay, so this becomes minus 3b and this becomes plus minus minus sign of the greater number, which is 1. So minus 1, which is equal to b is equal to 1 by 3. Minus and minus gets cancelled up. So we get the value of b as 1 by 3. Okay, so let's see the other values. Now minus 6 minus 2c is equal to c minus 2. Okay, so minus 2c minus c is equal to minus 2 plus 6. Okay, minus 2c minus c is minus 3c, which is equal to plus minus minus sign of the greater number, which is 4. Okay, so c is equal to minus 4 by 3. found out the value of C. Okay, now let's see the D1. 0 minus 2D is equal to D minus 2. D getting transferred over here, minus 2D minus D is equal to minus 2. This becomes minus 3D is equal to minus 2. Okay, now D is equal to nothing but 2 upon 3, since the minus and minus gets cancelled out. So therefore, the matrix X is equal to ABCD as we know. So the matrix X is equal to 7 by 3, 1 by 3, 4 by 3 and 2 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer for your question number, and this is a minus sign over here, minus sign, and this is the answer for the third sub question of question number 8. Two more questions to go. 11th question I've done in the concept lecture. Again, the link for the playlist is there in the description box. You can click on the link and understand the concepts of matrices. Okay, so let's begin with the ninth question from the exercise. Now the ninth question says, if we are having a M matrix with an order of 2 into 1 order of matrix 0 and 1, okay, and we are having N matrix which is order of 1 and 0, then the question is, show that 3m plus 5n is equal to 5 and 3. Okay, so over here they are asking us that we need to prove that this is equal to this, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so let's begin with the LHS first. We need to just solve the LHS and get this as the final answer in the statement. So now 3m plus 5n, what is 3m? 301 plus 510m. Okay, this becomes 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3. This becomes 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0. When we add both of them, this is 5 and 3, which is equal to RHS. Hence, proof. I feel this is the most easiest sum which we have solved yet in the exercise. Let's begin with the next question, which is the 10th question, the last question of this lecture, this very long lecture. Okay, exercise solving lecture. So the 10th question is, if I is the unit matrix of order 2 into 2. Okay, so if I is a unit matrix and the order is 2 into 2, find the matrix M. Find M such that there are two cases given to us. The first case is M minus 2I is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 order of matrix minus 1, 0, 4 and 1. Okay, and the second case is that 5m plus 3I is equal to 4 into this 4 is the scalar, and the 2, 0 minus 5 minus 3. Okay, so here we get it. Now let's begin with the question. The solution for this question is, let's begin with the question. As we know that I matrix is nothing but 1, 0, 0 and 1 of 2 into 2 order of matrix. Remember one thing, what is an identity or a unit matrix? When the diagonal sides are 1 and the remaining sides are 0. Okay, remember this thing. Rest all the elements are 0 except the ones over here. Okay, so let's begin with the first sub question. M minus 2I is equal to 3 into the matrix given below. So keeping M as ABCD. Okay, so let M is equal to A, B, C and D. Okay, now let's begin. So M matrix A, B, C and D is equal to, minus 2I, which is 1, 0, 0 and 1, okay, is equal to 3 into minus 1, 0, 4 and 1. Okay, so over here I am doing it a bit directly. A minus 2, okay, B minus 0, C minus 0, okay, and D 2 into 2 into 1 is minus 2, so D minus 2 is equal to, scalar gets multiplied with each and every element, minus 3, 0, 12, 3, okay, so each and every element is equal, so A minus 2 is equal to minus 3, okay, so A is equal to minus 3 plus 2, which is nothing but minus 1, okay. Now the B term, B minus 0 is equal to 0, so B is equal to 0, okay. Now the third term is C minus 0, so again C is equal to 12, okay, and D minus 2 is equal to 3, so D is equal to 5, okay. So the matrix M for the first sub question is minus 1, 0, 12 and 5, okay. So this is the case, and we have found out the answer for sub question first of your question number 10, okay. Let's begin with the second sub question and the last question of this lecture, exercise lecture. And the second sub question says that we need to find out 5m plus 3i is equal to 4 into the matrix given below. So 5m, m is nothing but A, B, C and D, agreed, plus 3i, I is nothing but 1, 0, 1 and 0, okay, is equal to a matrix over here 4, 2, 0, 2, 0 and minus 5, minus 3, minus 5, minus 3, okay, agreed. Let's move. So now let's find out the solution for this. We have already taken the first step, okay, so this becomes 5a, 5b, 5c, 5d, and this becomes 3, 0, 0 and 3 is equal to 4 2s are 8, which is 4 5s is minus 20, this is 4 0s are 0, 4 3s are minus 12, okay. So now it becomes 5a plus 3, 5b plus 0, 5c plus 0, 5d plus 0, 5d plus 3 is equal to 8, minus 20, 0 and minus 12, okay. So let's begin over here. Since we know that each and every element is equal over here, so 5a plus 3 is equal to 8 and 5a is equal to 8 minus 3 and a is equal to 1, 5 upon 5, which is 1, okay. Let's find out the next value. 5b is equal to minus 20, b is equal to minus 4, okay. We found out the second value. Now let's see the third one. 5c plus 0 is equal to 0, so which means c is equal to 0, 0 upon 5 always 0. Now 5d plus 3 is equal to minus 12 and plus 3 gets over here, gets minus 12 minus 3 is minus 15 and d is equal to minus 15 by 3, which is nothing but minus 3. Minus 15 by 5 is nothing but minus 3, okay. So we found out all the values. Let's see the matrix M. Now the matrix M is equal to ABCD, which is nothing but 1, minus 4, 0 and minus 3, okay, and this is the answer. So a very simple exercise. Just the thing is, it was a very lengthy exercise solving lecture, okay, and we have solved all the questions. The question number 11 is solved in one of my concept lectures, and the link to the concept lectures playlist is there in the description box. You can click on the link and learn the whole matrices chapter for your ICSE class 10 syllabus, okay. And we have started an initiative of providing lectures and all the syllabus of classes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 will be solved over here in the channel. Stay tuned with my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share my channel with your family and friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.